Good afternoon, dear students and respected guardians. Today I am going to teach Unit 2 Nouns. Dear students, in the previous class we have already discussed about nouns. In this class we are going to discuss exercise of this chapter. So let's come to the topic. Unit 2 Nouns means naming words. So dear students, let's come and discuss exercise of this chapter. Exercise 1. Given below is the word ladder for different nouns. That means there are different nouns. You can fill this ladder with the nouns, common nouns. That means first person's name. He is a person. His name is Pilot. P-I-L-O-T. Pilot. Then place. This is a place. This place name is telephone booth. Telephone booth. Telephone T-E-L-E-P-H-O-N. Telephone booth. B-O-O-T-H. Booth. So you fill in the blanks with H. Next, animal. This is an animal. This animal name is hen. So you can put H-E-N. So you can put N in the blanks. Next, thing. This thing name is nut. N-U-T. So you fill in the blanks T. Next, underline the nouns in the given poem. This is a poem. You can read this poem and fill and underline the nouns. Next, exercise 3. Oh no. Exercise 3. Oh no. The names of these animals are missing from the signboards. Write the names of the animals. Take the help from the clue box. That means there are some animals. You see the animals and write their name. First animal is ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. Second, crane. C-R-A-N-E. Crane. This is the picture of lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. And this is the picture of hippopotamus. And this is the picture of horse. And this is the picture of panda. Dear students, in your hard copy, first picture is ostrich and second picture is crane. You write this in your hard copy. Next, exercise 4. Write the nouns for these places on the signboards. There are some places. You see the places and write their name. Like this is the place of hospital. This place name is church. This place name is school. This place name is bank. This place name is mall. And this place name is airport. Next, match the common nouns with the picture of the things. In the right side there are some pictures and in the left side there are names. You can match them like calendar, tube light, TV, etc. Next, write the common nouns for these people on their name plates. That means these are the common noun of peoples. Already you know they are the helpers. They are also helpers. So you see the picture and write the helpers. Write our helpers name. This helper's name is doctor, florist, barber, tailor. He is cobbler. She is a lawyer. She is a nurse and she is a painter. Next, exercise 7. He is a painter. Now he is a painter. Next, exercise 7. Take the help of the clue box and circle the words in the given word grid. One is done for you. That means in their word grid there are some words in hide. You can find the help of their clue box. That means first word is broom. I can do for you one. Broom. B-R-O-O-M. You can do yourself. This is a homework for you. You find the word from the word grid. Next, exercise 8. Complete the story by using common nouns. Take help from the clue box. A word can be used more than once. That means there is a picture. You can see the picture and fill in the blanks. If possible, you can use more than once a word. That means आप किसी की word भी more than once. That means आपको एक से ज़्यादा टाइम उस word को यूज कर सकते हो. जैसे once there was a little death. Once there was a little mouse. Next, he is hungry. He saw 2 desks kept on a desk. He saw 2 biscuits kept on a desk, kept on almirah. The desk climbed the wall to reach the desk. The mouse climbed the wall to reach the biscuits. Next, but he slept every time. He saw a desk near the desk. He saw a rod near the almirah. Next, he climbed the rod, caught hold of desk hanging and reached the desk. He climbed the rod, caught hold of clothes hanging and reached the biscuits. Next, exercise 9. Circle the proper nouns in the sentence and write down all the proper nouns in the correct card given below. That means there are some sentence. You can read the sentence carefully and circle the proper noun. Number 1. Mrs. Rai took us to the zoo. Mrs. Rai is proper noun, so I circle the Mrs. Rai. You can do this type. You can do from number 2 to 8 and classify them in groups like persons, places, things. You can do in your English grammar book. Exercise 10. Underline the proper nouns and rewrite them using capital letters. This is a paragraph. You underline the proper noun and write the paragraph again with the use of proper noun with capital letter. Next, circle the nouns in the poem. You can read this poem and circle the nouns. Exercise 12. Minnie and Suel are ready for their breakfast. Color the countable nouns blue and the uncountable nouns green. That means there are some nouns. Out of them, some are countable and some are non-countable. So you can color blue color in countable nouns for countable nouns and color green for uncountable nouns. Next, you can match this with the help of this picture. Like 4 days, 4 slices of bread. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 slices of bread. 2 days, 2 spoons, 2 spoons. Next, 3 days, 3 apples. 1, 2, 3. So 3 apples. And with the help of your hard copy, you do in your English grammar book. Next, exercise 30. Write CN under the countable nouns and UN under the uncountable nouns in the given sentence and put them in the correct category bubbles given below. Dear students, in this there are some sentence. You read the sentence and CN put for countable nouns and UN put for uncountable nouns. Like there are 3 chairs. Chair is noun. This is a countable noun, so we put in countable table. But next, number 2, Syed is drinking coke. Coke is noun, but this is uncountable noun, so I put coke in uncountable noun table. You can do all this. Next, exercise 14. What is going on here? There is a picture in which 2 boys make a snowman with the help of snow and stones and fill in the blanks with the countable or uncountable nouns. That means you fill in the paragraph with the help of countable or uncountable nouns. Like the 2 days are playing. The 2 boys are playing. They are wearing days and socks. They are wearing caps and socks. They have made a huge desk. They have made a huge snowman. They have used 2 days to make his desk. They have used 2 stones to make his eyes. They have used a lot of days to build the snowman. They have used a lot of snow to build the snowman. If the dash comes out, the snowman will turn to dust. If the sun comes out, the snowman will turn into water. The student, I do all the exercise in your hard copy. You follow it and do in your English grammar book and practice it again and again. Thank you.